Is it time to buy or sell Greenwich LifeSciences stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Greenwich LifeSciences. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 12th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of August, 2025, our system has categorized Greenwich LifeSciences as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.58. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of -2.01%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.18% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which often signals a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $11.13 be breached, it may initially indicate a slower pace of ascent, but it could also serve as a preliminary alert for a potential shift in trend. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 25.95% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 24.88% to 51.67%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -25.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -48.38% and -19.92% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $5.80 and $8.99. Our latest daily update for Greenwich LifeSciences includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for Greenwich LifeSciences Inc. The stock price of Greenwich LifeSciences Inc. decreased by 1.66% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 12th of September, 2025. It fell from $11.42 to $11.23. Throughout the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.21%, with a low of $11.22 and a high of $11.58. This price has been unstable during this period, resulting in a loss of 2.01% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with stock price movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 30,000 shares, totaling 57,000 shares traded for approximately $640,310. In the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $15.50, while the lowest was $8.06. Currently, the stock price is 27.55%, or $4.27, below the 52-week high, and 92.90%, or $146.84, below the all-time high reached on the 9th of December, 2020, when the price peaked at $158.07. Greenwich LifeSciences, with the ticker symbol GLSI, has recently achieved a significant regulatory milestone. On the 10th of September, the Food and Drug Administration granted fast-track designation for GLSI 100 in the HLA-A2 patient population. This designation aims to expedite development and may also accelerate the review process if the Phase 3 data yield positive results. This accomplishment follows a series of strategic initiatives undertaken this summer, including the expansion of the Flamingo-01 trial into Romania, enhancements to internal clinical operations, and positive updates regarding open-label immune responses and safety earlier in the year. Additionally, new analyst coverage began in August, further increasing interest. Furthermore, the management team has extended the lockup period for directors and officers until the year 2026, which will help limit insider selling in the near term. Collectively, these factors are expected to enhance visibility, increase trading volumes, and potentially lead to a short-term rise in share prices as investors reassess the reduced operational and execution risks. In the long run, the fast-track designation, coupled with supportive Phase 3 data, could significantly boost GLSI's valuation by shortening the time to market for a therapy aimed at preventing recurrences. However, it is important to note that the HLA-A2 subset restricts the number of addressable patients, and approval remains a binary outcome. Be mindful of potential downside risks. Trial results, funding requirements, dilution, and competitive or reimbursement challenges could exert pressure on the stock if key milestones are delayed. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned GLSI a buy grade while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Greenwich LifeSciences stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Greenwich LifeSciences. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Greenwich LifeSciences Inc. stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is above the short-term average, this contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $11.63. Conversely, if the stock declines, support can be found from the short-term average at $11.16. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 11th, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 10.09%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which is technically positive. However, it is important to note that this stock may experience low liquidity at times, which increases the overall risk. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average signals a buy from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 39 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support risk and stop loss for Greenwich LifeSciences. Greenwich LifeSciences Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.19. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day. However, caution is advised if the volume is low or declining, as this elevates the risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 360 cents between its high and low points, representing a change of 3.21%. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.21%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Greenwich LifeSciences, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 13th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -0.3%. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Greenwich LifeSciences. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Greenwich LifeSciences is at $11.39. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Greenwich LifeSciences encounters its first support level at $11.19. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Greenwich LifeSciences from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 25th of April, 2025, when Patel Snehal conducted an insider purchase of 3,600 shares of common stock. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Greenwich LifeSciences stock a good buy? Greenwich LifeSciences Inc. shows several negative signals, and we anticipate that its performance may remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 15th of September, we expect Greenwich LifeSciences to open higher by approximately 11 cents, starting at $11.34. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.